No, I can't express in words how happy I am. Obviously, that's like as a filmmaker, that's what we look forward to. The love from the audiences, their happy shouts, their happy screams, and we got that in abundance for RRR trailer. Can't be happier.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. And Alia, namaskara, and welcome to Bangalore. Is this your first trip to Bangalore? No. You keep coming here.
Keep coming. Yeah, but I've been to Bangalore many times, especially for films. But definitely first time for South.
For South. So how excited are you?
I think words can't express how excited I am. It's been from the very first day when I was the chosen one to be a part of an SS Rajamouli film. It is a dream come true for any actor to be directed by him and represented by him. So yeah, I wouldn't say too much. I have immense gratitude in my heart, and I think I'm one of those people who was screaming and shouting while I was watching the trailer. Even though I'm a part of the film, I was so excited and I was telling Sir, I said he just knows exactly what to make an audience feel. You go up, you go down, you go side, you go left, you go round, you go. It's like a roller coaster of emotions and thrill and excitement. So I'm really looking forward to the release and to the experience of the audience experiencing it.
And I must say you look stunning on screen, stunning. So I just have a small request.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ thank you so much because the trailer is more amazing with that Kannada voice of yours, sir. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. And sir, one of the surely he has told that he speaks very good Kannada because ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಕುಂದಾಪುರದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So first of all ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕನ್ನಡನ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಆದ್ರೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಪ್ಪು ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೂವಿ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. All credits for my dubbing to Rajamouli garu.
Wow.
And he really pushed me to speak, and ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కన్నడలో మాట్లాడితే అనేది. టుడే when I saw his experience on big screen, I felt it. Thank you so much for making me dub in Kannada. Means I can see how what an impact it can create. And ఇందాక వెంకట్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు ముఠా మేస్త్రి సినిమా అప్పటి నుంచి నాన్నగారి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉంది. అండ్ ఫర్ మీ టు అగైన్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ ఆడియన్స్, యూఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ లాయల్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అవుట్సైడ్ ద సౌత్ అవుట్సైడ్ AP and T. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. వీఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇండెటెడ్ టు యూ. లవ్ యూ ఆల్, లవ్ యూ.
ವರದರಾಜ್ garu ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಹಾಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುರು ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. And that's the result.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ?
ನನ್ನದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ನನಗೆ. ಬಟ್ wherever he is, ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ I will never sing it, but this will be my first and last. ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮದಯ್ಯ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು. Wherever he is, always be honest.
Thank you.
Sita Ramaraju, Ram and team. And it's very important for me to select the right actors for that. And I have fantastic actors, NTR and Charan, to play those characters. And I have Arya Bhatt, who plays a very crucial role when we have these kind of high energy characters on the screen. There needs to be a person who can, control them or unite them or be a bridge between these two forces. So it is very important to select the actors. I think one of the successes is that I was able to select very good actors for my films. In putting my time into this venture and then getting those thoughts on the screen, because all the thoughts of mine are larger than life. So it will take a lot of time to put them on screen the way I imagined it. So my question to myself is that, is the wow factor so big that I will invest 2 years or 3 years of my time in this particular story? If my yes goes for all those high moments, then I go for them. Obviously, those high moments will make me go forward with the project. But it is not just a high. It is not just the elevations. No, there should be an emotion that supports the elevation.
Thank you, that's a huge compliment. It was a very, and it's still a learning experience. Even now, of course it was a dream come true, as I've mentioned. I was very nervous because I'm speaking a language that I've just learned for the film. So I was very nervous, will I be able to emote at the right point, will I take the right pauses, will I be able to hold the power and importance of the lines, because I got the translation and they're very important, whatever I'm delivering, and it's, for me, I'm like want to be the A plus student. I want to live up to my director's expectations. But honestly, when I went on set, Sir made it so easy for me because he knows exactly what he wants. Right, and every line, every emotion, the way he would come and direct me, the things he would say really pushed me as well. He calls him Jakarna, right? Which is a sculptor, because he wants that perfection. And I couldn't agree more, because he will really push you to your optimum limit so you can get that right emotion and deliver that on screen. But it was such a learning experience to understand we don't call him a master storyteller for no reason. He genuinely loves stories. So in between shots also, Sir was constantly coming and telling me stories. Different stories. And have you heard this story? Have you heard that story? Wonderful, which I still remember. And even now, I'm constantly picking his brain. So what do you feel about this? What do you feel about that? Because at the end of the day, the experience that he has and the understanding he has of Indian cinema, I just want to take all of it and digest it. So yeah, it's still a learning experience.
When showcase it to everybody, but fortunately, ಆವಾಗ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೋರ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಮೂವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ RRR ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and with two fantastic actors and Rajamouli sir's combination. So that is one second decision that we should present here, and we should let the people of Karnataka experience this movie.
Another one question, sir. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ರೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, KV ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಿಜಾನ ಹೇಗೆ?
This is a big day for us here. We are doing RRR, biggest Indian movie, trailer and press meet. This question sadyake out of syllabus ansate, so we'll talk about it later. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I don't use logic and my brain when I'm working with him.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ETV ನ್ಯೂಸಿಂದ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ RRR ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಸರ್.
Yeah, of course. Nagaraj, Varadaraj sir was our man behind our dubbing. Obviously, we've seen some Kannada films and everything, but all that doesn't help when you have a tutor or a mentor like Vadraj Garu. It helped me a lot, and didn't have to learn the full language. Obviously, we learned the script. We revised the script multiple times. We had a dry run, and then it was quite easy. In fact, I enjoyed amongst the 4 languages. I remember Rajmouli sir said after watching all the thing, your Kannada was one of the best.
ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'm waiting for a long time. I hope after good director or a nice actor here to offer me a beautiful part. Thank you.
Dubbing into my own language, but there were rules at that point of time saying dubbing is not allowed into Kannada. So at that point in time we couldn't do, right? Like you said, people from Karnataka are used to watching the film in the original language, but it is not the entire population of Karnataka. Some people in Karnataka want to watch it in the original language. There is another set of population who want to watch it in the Kannada itself. So in Karnataka obviously we will be releasing in Telugu and we will be releasing in Kannada also. The people who want to watch it in whichever language they want to, they will watch it in that language. But when we make it in Kannada, when we dub it into Kannada, we will take every care that we can. Lots of importance has been given to every voice, that every word is pronounced as perfectly as possible. A direct Kannada star can speak a few words wrong, people would not mind. But if Telugu heroes are coming and speaking in Kannada, people will look it with magnifying glasses. Is this Kannada correct or not? So that much care we had to take, and we took every care. And I'm guessing that the trailer denotes how good the pronunciation is. And we still are humans. We might have made some mistakes, and we will learn that and correct in the coming films. Thank you.
ಈಗ ಆರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರಾಗಿ?
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದಮ್ಮ.
ನಿಮಗೆ
No, you should not ask that question.
His answer is that.
That question you should direct to Rajmouli sir. Not to me.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ
ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕನಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಚಪ್ಪಾಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ದು ವಿಷನ್ನು, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನು, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಆ ಶ್ರಮೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮೈರರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ generally the way he leads his life, simple living, high thinking and the value systems and all of that. ನನಗೇನಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸು, ಈ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಯರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್
And I'm not too old than him, it's just probably 1 year. 1 year. 1 year.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ನಾಡಿನ ಎರಡು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆತನ, ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮನೆತನದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು?
Yeah, of course. They traditionally belong to the superstar families. Traditionally, there has been a big rivalry between the fans for the past 25-30 years. And now I am choosing to make a film with both of them together in the film. That is a challenge. Obviously, that is a challenge. But for me, luckily, apart from the rivalry between the fans, irrespective of RRR, they have been very good friends. In real life, they have been very good friends, and they have no ego hazards between them. Now, that is a big plus for me. So I thought, like, if I can translate that friendship, if I can translate that camaraderie between what, in real life, what I see the friendship between those two, if I can translate that onto the screen, then I thought I will not have any issue with the fans. Now if you see, we already released the trailer. No, people have been thronging the theatres to see the trailer. Even in Karnataka, they released in 24 screens, 25 screens, and screens were full. Even here, they have lots and lots hardcore fan following. But there is not even one single instance where there is a fight between the fans. No, Charan fans are saying Charan is super, NTR is also super. NTR fans are saying our Anna is super, but Charan sir is also super. It is because they can see the friendship, they can see the emotion between them on the screen, and that translates into the success of how I can bring both the stars, rival stars into one story, onto the same screen. Thank you.
Grew up listening to stories of these powerful people who made India possible. So unknowingly or knowingly, it's injected into our blood and our nerves. So when a director like Rajamouli comes up with a story like this, where you're playing characters of historical importance, I really feel that there's not a lot of prep which is happening. It becomes so instinctive. Because you know these people, you grew on them. So for me it was very prompt rather than working for it.
1 year and 3 months, I was just saying the lines again and again and again and again. And I would do that only because I don't want to be thinking about what I'm like, the way I'm speaking while I'm speaking, and I want to be thinking about the emotion. But speaking about the preparation, I prefer to always come a clean slate for the director. Because if I come with too many preconceived notions, he gave me few words of her spirit, of her innocence, of her strength, of her vulnerability. I embodied that, and then I want to just be directed, go here, go there. Because otherwise, if you come too set with your preconceived notions, it becomes difficult for you to unlearn it. So as I said before, I was doing the learning on set.
Venkat sir, a question in here.
One second. I think Ramcharan sir is here to answer. Yes. Yeah.
So, I completely agree 100% to what Tarak said. Extension of that, I also believe this was again a fresh 2 characters or 3 characters we played, because it's a thought that it's inspired from the Freedom Fighter, but it's fictionally created, the whole characterizations. So it was easy for us because we didn't have to take the pressure of the legendary Freedom Fighters onto us, but taking the spirit of them, like Rajamouli sir said, we are falling into a fictional sin. So it was again very considerably easy for us. 10 days, and then if he's satisfied for next on the 11th day, he said it should. If not, the continuation of the practice would have happened for the 12th day, 13th day.
No, he's like that. You can ask even Ramadan also. As a husband also he's like that. He wants something, That's it. What did I do? He wants it.
One of the steps.
And look at it.
One of the steps I think you will see, we did it for 17, 18 takes. Because Tarak has a style of dancing. I have a style of dancing. But I remember him saying, both have to become one style, that is Rajamouli style.
So he wouldn't say Rajamouli style, but we'll have to figure it out.
It's his style.
And when we shot for our action sequences, it was, oh my God. I've never seen him like this, ever. In the 20 years I've known him, I've never seen him like this.
Rajamouli sir, would you accept that, sir?
Yes, he has to.
Okay, I'll ask, did I ever shout on them? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's
Did I ever
yes or
shout on
no.
them?
No.
And then, did I show my frustration on them?
There is
Then
if he shouts, it's
Every time he
greater.
asked for one more, was frustrated.
No, there is a lot of power in silence, that's what he maintained.
No, he asked for one more, I disagree.
Okay, are you enjoying the success of Melinoy?
Yes, yes.
Result of it, of course.
Yes.
Then you have nothing to complain about.
Okay. She asked, I just said, that's all.
Rajamouli sir, Manju from